Tutorial number 31 about the multi-pocket. If you remember the tutorial about the multipad, so we have the multi-pocket is almost the same using. So let's start sketching on this surface. We have these are extruded sketch. You can see the sketch. So both surfaces are on the same level. So let's sketch on that surface. Let's make circle here and let's make other circles. So let's activate the multi-pocket. Now we have 4 different sketches. So let's choose the first sketch and make it a cut for 20 millimeter. Preview, you can see a preview. Let's choose the second, make it 50 millimeter. Preview, let's choose the third, make it 100. Preview, and the last one, so it's fine. Just make it extrusion to be 220. Okay, so we created different depths of cuts on this part.